Okay, because we are remote learning, we are going to do a modified version of the Dragon Genetics project. Okay, so we are all going to start with the same parents. Okay, and so we've been talking about phenotype and genotype and crosses. So remember, the genotype is what the alleles are. What are the letters? What are the genes saying? Okay. The phenotype is what does it physically look like? Is it gray? Does it have red wings? Does it have yellow wings? Does it have red eyes? Does it have white eyes? What does it look like? That's the phenotype. Okay. So we're going to start with the same dragons, which means that the combination of crosses should be the same, right? So the possibilities are the same. So we're going to do a couple of these to make sure you remember how to do them, okay? So we're going to take this capital G, we're going to bring it down to this box. We're going to take this lowercase g, we're going to bring it here. Remember, it's just like graphing data points. We're going to take this capital G and bring it here. We're going to take this lowercase g, bring it here. We're going to take this capital G here, bring it down, bring the little g over, bring this capital G down, and bring the little g over, okay? So now this tells you that all of these babies are going to have what body color? They are heterozygous, but there is a dominant gene. That means that they all have to be green. And now the phenotype for that is 100%. Now that makes sense to people, okay? Let's do the next one. This one is a little bit wonkier. So we have a heterogeneous parent and a heterogeneous parent. So we're going to take this capital H, we're going to bring it down. We're going to take this capital H, we're going to bring it over. They look the same, but one came from mama, one came from papa. We're going to take this capital H down. We're going to bring this little h over. So this happens to be heterozygous, right? This one's homozygous. This one's heterozygous. So remember that you need to make sure that you put the capital first. The dominant goes first, just like you capitalize your first name, right? And your last name for that matter. So now we're going to bring this down. We have an H. We're going to bring this over. We have a capital H. Can't do that. Capital H, little h. And then we're going to bring this little h down. We're going to bring this little h over. All right. So now we have the four options, right? So given the egg and the sperm of the mom and the dad, the babies can have any one of this combination. Well, here's the really cool thing about genetics, okay? Here they're all the same. So every baby has to have green skin, but here the baby could have a horn with green skin, could have a horn with green skin, could have no horn with green skin, and could have a horn with green skin, but now they're heterozygous. Okay, if we had more time with this, maybe we would take two of the offspring and breed them because that would be really cool, but we don't have time for that. So that's what you need to do on this page. So go ahead and complete them, and then I will upload a video for the next page as well. Thank you.